Singapore is going full throttle on its electric vehicle dream, right? The Green Plan 2030 is a big deal, and we're seeing more and more sleek EVs on our roads. The government's doing a lot to encourage us to go electric. But if you've looked into insuring an EV, you might have noticed something. While the premiums have come down a bit since EVs first hit the scene, they often still pack a bigger punch to your wallet compared to insuring a similar petrol or diesel car. So what's the deal? Why is insuring these eco-friendly machines sometimes a bit less friendly on the wallet? Today, we're diving deep into the reasons behind this. Worldwide data consistently points to one major factor. When things go wrong, fixing an EV can be significantly more expensive than repairing a traditional ICE vehicle. Let's look at some numbers. A study in the US found that collision repairs for EVs averaged 20% higher than for ICE cars. And get this, in Canada, that jump was a staggering 31%. Globally, we're looking at an average of around 29% higher repair costs for EVs. That's a substantial difference. Now, why are these repairs so much pricier? Well, one key culprit is the heart of the EV itself, the battery. These batteries are incredibly advanced and, unfortunately, incredibly expensive to replace. This leads to what's often called the total loss problem. Even in what might seem like a relatively minor accident, if the battery sustains significant damage, insurers might deem the entire vehicle a total loss, simply because replacing the battery can cost more than the car is worth. One report even noted that in 50% of EV claims where a battery replacement was needed, the car was written off entirely. That's a significant risk factor for insurers. It's not just the battery, though. EVs have a lot of unique and sophisticated components. Think high-voltage systems and intricate control units. These parts are costly to manufacture, and when they need replacing, well, that adds up. Plus, repairing these high-tech vehicles isn't something just any mechanic can do. It requires specialized training and equipment. Currently, there are fewer certified technicians and workshops equipped to handle EV repairs, which means higher labor costs and potentially longer wait times. Finally, let's talk about the tech and the weight. Modern EVs are often packed with advanced driver assistance systems. We're talking things like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and a whole suite of sensors and cameras. These ADAS systems are fantastic for safety, but if they get damaged in an accident, those sensors and cameras can be expensive to recalibrate or replace. On top of that, EVs tend to be heavier than their ICE counterparts due to those hefty battery packs. This increased weight can sometimes lead to more significant damage in a collision, and it can also increase the likelihood of airbag deployment, further driving up the repair bill. So there you have it. While Singapore is charging ahead with its EV plans, the higher cost of accident repairs, driven by expensive batteries, specialized parts and labor, advanced tech and vehicle weight, are key reasons why insuring an electric vehicle in Singapore, for now, can still be a bit pricier than covering a traditional petrol car. What are your thoughts on this? Have you experienced higher insurance costs for your EV? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Drive safe, everyone.